in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable cross-site tracking on your Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and this may be required for certain website functionality. So pretty straightforward, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So just go ahead and open up the Safari browser, select the Safari button at the top menu bar, and then go down and select Settings. Select the Privacy tab, and where it says Website Tracking, Prevent cross-site tracking, go ahead and uncheck that and then close out of here, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.